Hello guys, so today we're gonna talk about the area of rectangle and squares. So the formula to calculate the area of a rectangle, side length times its width. Not side length, it's just its length. Length, width. And the length is the longer side of the rectangle. Width is the shorter side of the rectangle. And then the product of them chooses the area. But you need to be aware about a very important thing that sometimes I make mistake in. It's the units. Make sure the units of the length and width are exactly the same. If they're not the same, oh, you got it wrong. I'm sorry, man. If they're not the same, unit conversion. Unit conversion, checking units is always the most important thing in doing measurement questions. You gotta remember this. And about this, square. And really, square is a special type of rectangle when its length and width are the same. It's a special type of rectangle. It's still a rectangle. Square is a type of rectangle. This is very important. This is important optimization, which you will do in year 10, later year 10 or early year 11. And same, every formula is length and width. But be aware, it doesn't have length and width anymore because the definition of length is the longer side and the definition of width is the shorter side. And in square, it's the same. You can't classify anymore. So instead, we come up with another name called side length. It's a side length, so it's and the formula is side length squared. What about perimeter? Think of perimeter. What's the definition of perimeter? Do you guys remember? Yes, I think you do. The definition of perimeter is that all of this length that forms this shape and up is its perimeter. How do we find the perimeter of a rectangle? It's easy, you just add them up. But instead we have a formula. So P equals to P, where this P is not power in physics, it's a different thing, right? It stands for perimeter. 2 times length plus width. This length plus width is this section. And times by 2 with the other section, it's the entire length that makes up this rectangle. What about a square? It's 4 times P equals to 4 times S, which is this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is very easy. Later on, we'll talk about more complex shapes. See ya.